Alright, so today we're going to change out the battery in our 2016 Road Glide Ultra. And first thing I've done is taken the seat off. This battery's right underneath here, so we'll flip this up. This is the ECM. We'll flip this up and out of the way. A lot of times it tells you can disconnect all that stuff, but I really don't think we're going to have to do that. Next thing we're going to have to take off is this cover that covers the battery. Take a 1/2-inch socket, do that. It's not tight. They don't make them tight, so don't try and torque them down really hard. This is another great thing. Free Harbor Freight, hold your screws. Love those things. Plus you get them for free. Alright, next thing we're going to do is work on this and get this out of the way. Nothing holding this thing. Might have to disconnect that right there. Alright, what's going on here? There we go. Okay, it just lifts up, out. Battery's exposed. We're going to take the negative over here, positive over here. I'm going to take the negative off first. It's just a screw, unscrew it. Move that out of the way. Next we're going to go for the positive. Move that out of the way. And it looks like we got a battery lift here. I'm lifting that up, pulling the battery out, and that's it. Alright, here's the two batteries. We're going to replace it here with this Deca ETX30L. I got it from Battery Mart. Pretty nice. They shipped it 2 days. 2-day shipping on it. Another thing you might want to do is I'd always date the batteries so I know when my battery was put in. Cranking power on it is about 400. The Harley actually has a 405 crank power. So, but anyway, let's slip it back in the bike and get it going here. Alright, let's just pop it back down here in the hole. Drop her down. We're going to put the positive, just total reverse order of the way we took it out. Put the positive on first. Okay, getting nice and tight. Let's get her cover and put that thing back on. Just kind of slips over the front here down a little bit. There we go. Alright. You see him kind of fits a little slot here. That's it, it's in. Alright, tighten these guys back down. Alright, the keys are in my pocket. Let's start her up, see if she starts. Oh yeah, that's it. That's all it takes to change a battery.